Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today, I thought we would go a little bit on a different side and go over the 2021 Pixar Fest Lightning McQueen. Now, I do have the entire wave of the 2021 Pixar Fest cars. I never got the first wave from 2020, but honestly, the 2021 ones are better besides Ramon. And not having Mater is bad, but this week I'm trying to do something a little different. We're going to go over a bunch of new cars, and I'm trying to get all of the backed up cars I have out of the way. So let's just see if we can do that. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, because I'm trying to have a Smashville Saga ready for this upcoming 14th of the month, because I haven't made one since August. Dang. Anyway, but the packaging says Pixar Fest 2021. And this year they went all out. You see a Rare Springs McQueen, a Purple Ramon, and a Sally. On the back you see Luigi and Guido, Ramon, McQueen, and Sally. Now, the Ramon could have been better if that was a metallic white instead of just a plain white, but whatever. Anyway, let's get this guy unboxed. So let's get into the review of this car. Now, as you can see, it's based off of the Rare Springs Lightning McQueen from the end of the first Cars movie. And I feel like they did a better job on than the original Pixar Fest McQueen. Granted, I don't have it, but I do remember seeing it. Like, the silver, instead of the white in the circle, looks dope. The 95 up here is a little weird because I missed the lightning bolt there. And the silver rims are cool, and the silver rusties. It's kind of like they took the racing red and just made it out of this. Now, the all red eyelash, like eyelids, I'm not a fan of, but all the Pixar logos, believe me, this thing looks great. The just silver rusty on the back. Honestly, I don't know why, but just in all silver, like the silver in a silver and red McQueen. Like, I know that's what the racing red one is going to be, and if I find it, I might just buy it online, to be honest. But the silver and red McQueens that are metallic just look amazing in my book. But I'm glad they're doing this with Pixar, and I hope they kind of keep continuing it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. I can't even say it. I gotta stop saying that, because I don't even turn on my comments anymore, because I've given up. But I will see you guys in the next video, which I'm having a bunch of videos this week, so be prepared.